Hello everyone, welcome to AP Smart Guru. In this video we learn how to use MS Office License Backup tool. First open any web browser and enter msredeem.com/msolbt and press enter. It will download the MS Office License Backup tool installation file. Next, save the MS Office License Backup tool software on your desired location. Here I am saving it on my desktop. And double-click on the installation file of the MS Office License Backup tool. Then it will show you UAC. Here just click on More Info. Then click on the Run Anyway button. Now MS Office License Backup Tool Installation Wizard will open. Here click on the Next button, then select the typical feature, and then click on the Install button. If it shows UAC again, click on the Yes button. After completion of the installation process, next click on the Finish button. Next, open the MS Office License Backup tool by double-clicking on the shortcut available on the desktop. Now software will open a menu that contains a total of 7 options. 1 is to show my PC or laptop serial number. In this option you need to find and note down the serial number of your PC or laptop. The serial number is a unique identifier assigned to your device and can usually be found on a sticker or in the system settings of your computer. When you select second option, which allows us to create a reliable backup of our licenses, we ensure that our licenses are securely backed up, protecting them from any unforeseen events or system failures. The tool is now generating a backup of our licenses. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few moments. The backup process is complete, and our licenses are now safely stored. And next, when you select option 3, which allows you to upload your license backup file to the cloud, MS Office License Backup Google Form will open in Chrome. Fill your details. First tick on the email. And next enter your full name. Enter your email ID. It is very important your download link will be delivered here only. And next enter mobile number. And next enter your PC or laptop serial number. If you do not remember a serial number, open the MS Office License Backup tool. Enter 1. It produce your PC or laptop serial number. Copy that serial number and paste in Google Form. And next enter your seller or WhatsApp or Telegram group name. Next upload your MS Office License Backup zip file. After completion of form filling, click on Submit button. Your MS Office backup file is in successfully upload to the cloud. Downloaded link is generated to your confirmation mail ID within next 7 days. Once check your Gmail. You can download the portal using this link. And next, when you select the fourth option, it will download your MS Office license backup file. Choose the desired path where you want to save the portable backup file. This could be your local storage, an external drive, or any other location accessible to you. The MS Office License Backup tools will now gather all the necessary license information and package it into a single portable backup file. When you select the fifth option, download Microsoft Office 2021 Pro Plus ISO. Choose the location where you want to save the Microsoft Office 2021 Pro Plus ISO file. By using this option, you download Microsoft Office 2021 Pro Plus ISO is directly download from Microsoft Office official website. When you select the sixth option, you can download Microsoft Office 2019 Pro Plus ISO. Similar to the previous step, this involves downloading the installation file for Microsoft Office 2019 Pro Plus. Office 2019 is a previous version of Office that was released before Office 2021. It also provides a comprehensive suite of productivity applications. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel AP Smart Guru. And don't forget to press bell icon for more updates.